a wee illustration here, a pictorial illustration of this box, and what I've tried to do is show you how these numbers here relate to the shape. So you can see that 1 and 2 relate to this side of it here, the sort of lower side of it, and that's why when you project round here, 1 and 2 are at this lower part here, 4 and 3 are at the higher part of the drawing. The next part to do is the true shape. Now the true shape we have to do because although the plan looks like a square, the actual shape of that there is a rectangle because it's been cut at an angle. So as you look at it, you can see that some of the information on the plan is correct. For example, the distance between 4 and 3 is clearly correct. The distance between 1 and 2 is clearly correct. But between 4 and 1, 3 and 2 is the sloping part. So that distance there is incorrect. It's foreshortened. So to draw a true shape, what you do is you use information from the end elevation which you know to be correct. So I know that the distance between here and here, which is essentially between 1 and 4, that distance there is correct because I'm looking at it straight on. So what you do is you project a couple of lines up. I'm using my 3060 set square here. Project lines up from the end of this line, and then you start with basically you have a starter line. So I'm going to have a starter line there, and that's going to be the line between 1 and 4. So I'm going to just label that 1 and 4 there. Now to find out if this is 1, we'd be going 1, 2, 3, 4. To work out the distance between 1 and 2 or 4 and 3, we can turn to the plan because we know that that distance between 4 and 3 or 1 and 2 is correct because we're looking at it straight on. So we take our compass and we measure it. It's obviously they can be the same for either ends, that's fine. So between 1 and 2, and we mark that this way. I'm going to do a wee arc there because my line doesn't extend far enough. We'll get that to hit there, extend this line, and then we just need to draw a line down from here. And that then completes the true shape. So I can put some numbers on it. 1, 4, so that's 2, and that's 3 there. And that now is the true shape of the slope. And you can see it's a rectangle and it's not a square. The development is drawn up the way, just so it fits in the page. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend this line. Development is just the shape opened out. You imagine that shape being opened out into a flat bit of cardboard or whatever, and what we're doing is we're basically going to be drawing in the sizes of the faces. So say I call that face A, B, and then also there's going to be one round there, C, and then one round there, D. Now B is going to equal D, A is going to be on its own, and C is going to be on its own because they're shapes that are not repeated. So what we do here is we use development, and you can see that that's basically the length of one side. You can just confirm that by measuring this here. So that's the length of one side. So we've got 4 sides, so we just split this line into 4. And then I'm going to add some projection lines here. I'm just going to extend these a bit. Now you can start any way you like, but I'm going to start with the biggest part, which is basically C here, and the height of it I get from here. In fact, I think I'm going to take it from the end elevation just so you can see. So the back part is here, so I'm just going to mark that there. That's the high part there. So we've got the high part there, which is C. It then goes round to, let's say we're moving around in this direction here. We can actually label this. So I could say, right, we'll call that 4, 3, 2, 1, and then back to 4 again. Okay. Now 3 is the same height as 4. Okay. But when it goes down to 2, it goes down to that height there. So if we measure that height, there's basically only 2 heights in this shape. So we measure that height and then mark it on here. 1 is the same height as 2, so you can just mark that on there. And then 4 obviously goes back up to that height. So I just need to project that up. So I'm going to draw a line here for 1 and 2 because they're that height, and then project that height from there right the way across to there, and then between 3 and 2 it dips down like so, and then let's mark that in there, and then going back up to 4 it does this here. That's basic shape there. So I'm just going to draw in here what we call fold lines, and a fold line is a chain that goes long, short, short, long, short, short, long. Same here. Let's extend this, short, short, long. These outlines, oops, are just solid like that. And basically, that is that. I'm just going to firm these in a wee bit. And the idea of the development is if you cut out that shape, then you would get back to, or you could form this shape here. Okay, job done.